Hey, 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 good looking. Want to see what we have cooking today in my kitchen? Well, grab a hold of that vine and swing it on my kitchen, and let's get cooking. Good looking. Today, I'm going to sit there and show you one of the most easiest ways to put together a fruit salad. Well, hey there, good looking. I'm so glad to see that you made it to my kitchen again today. Today, I want to sit there and show you one of my favorites, and it's just a simple fruit salad. So with that all being said, I have myself a bowl here, which you're going to be needing as well. We're going to be needing some pineapple chunks. You're going to be needing some peach pie filling. You're going to be needing some mandarin oranges. You're going to be needing some mini marshmallows. Now, they don't have to be the pastel ones. I just have some left over from the holidays. You're going to be needing some grapes, or you can also have some grapes and blueberries, and you're going to be needing some bananas. Now, this is how easy this recipe is. Now, we're going to have to drain off the juice in the pineapple and in the mandarin oranges. So I'm going to go ahead and drain out all the juice. And then simply, we're just going to dump it right in our bowl. Let's dump the drained off pineapple off into our bowl. Our drained off mandarin oranges. I want you to sit there, and we're going to peel and slice our bananas. Okay, and with our grapes, you're going to want to sit there and half them up as well. Let's go ahead and open up our peach pie filling. And I really love this if you can be fortunate to find the apricot pie filling, or if you're fortunate to be able to can apricot pie filling. That is excellent in this. So I have some of the peach pie filling, and we're going to go ahead, add that. And now we're going to be needing 1 cup of the mini marshmallows. So let's just go ahead and now mix everything up. I'll be back when I'm all done mixing everything all up. And there you go. That's how easy it was to put together an easy fruit salad. Now, let this sit there and rest in your refrigerator for at least 4 hours. It gets better if you let it sit overnight, and I'm telling you, oh, you're gonna love yourself for making this. Give this one a try. So if you liked what you saw here today, give me a big old thumbs up. If you're a new subscriber to my channel, welcome to my channel. And if you're not yet a subscriber, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, tap that little bell. That way you'll always be notified every time I do put out a new video. And I want to thank you for taking the time to watch my video, and happy cooking, but better yet, happy eatings, y'all. Y'all come back now, you hear?